This clock is old. This clock is really old. And this clock is same old, same old. Isn't it time for an upgrade? Introducing Glance Clock, the clock that can tell you that, and that at a glance. Glance Clock's brightly lit LEDs represent information you choose to see ahead of time. It tells you who's calling, gives you reminders, shows you the weather, and displays your schedule by showing you all your appointments, meetings, and events in different colors, so you know exactly how your day is laid out. Let's see how Jeff uses his Glance Clock. Connect Glance Clock to your fitness tracker and have it show how well you slept or didn't sleep, how many steps you've taken or haven't taken. Check what the weather is like so you know what to wear before going outside. Or use the timer so you don't forget about the important things. And know when to leave the house when your Uber is outside. Glance Clock lets you make the right decisions and take action.
Hi, I'm here to tell you about an invention that will revolutionize a chore that we all love to hate, cleaning the toilet. Recognize this? The classic toilet brush design has remained unchanged for decades. The sad fact is it's completely unfit for purpose. The bristles clog up very easily, meaning they're extremely unhygienic and hard to clean. They retain water, meaning they drip everywhere. And they're also extremely inefficient. You have to scrub back and forth, and they never clean under the rim. 2 years ago, I decided to do something about it.
In 2013, Gary brought together a team of product designers, engineers and material specialists and went into the lab to work on a new product that would help change the way that toilets are cleaned forever. With its patented Swipe Clean technology, the silicone blades follow the contours of the toilet bowl and reach under the rim with ease, swiping the surface clean. A silver-based additive kills germs both during and after cleaning and helps cut down bleach use. The blades do not get clogged up like bristles and have a hydrophobic coating that sheds water and dries quickly. A hollow point head feature also helps clear blockages. Air flows freely through the holder to quickly evaporate any remaining moisture. Let's look at how Loo-Blade helps overcome the main failings of the toilet brush. The bristles of a toilet brush quickly become clogged, which is hard to dislodge, especially after it has dried. With Loo-Blade, the smooth, flat surfaces are easily kept clean and clear with just a gentle shake. After shaking, look how much potentially germ-filled and smelly water is still contained in the brush. Loo-Blade's hydrophobic coating ensures that all water is almost immediately removed. The bristles of a brush only touch part of the surface, which is why you need to scrub back and forth to get things clean. With continuous contact, Loo-Blade swipes the surface clean in a single pass.
We wake up each morning to a brand new day, a day of balance and wellness. We nourish our body with healthy foods. We physically stretch our bodies in hopes of stretching our minds. Everything we do goes back to our well-being. But there is one piece we often tend to neglect from the wellness puzzle. Introducing Turbo, a simple and effective addition to your daily routine. Before the 19th century, toilets were non-existent. People used to squat to release. 2/3 of the world actually still do, and for good reason. As we adopted the toilet into our lives, we unknowingly added tension and straining during bowel movements. Studies have shown us the perpendicular posture brought on by the toilet creates a kink in the colon, which makes it difficult to go. It also makes us susceptible to a number of other health issues. By elevating your feet, that kink disappears. Your muscles are able to relax and your colon is open for quick and efficient release.
And that's why we invented Turbo,
Turbo is an elegant yet affordable solution that makes a great addition to any bathroom. Its sleek design allows for flexibility and comfort. The unique ramp design makes using Turbo easier for any person of any size. The lower toe area allows you to easily load your feet. Then you can position your feet forward or backward on the ramp to adjust to a squat that's just right for you. And with Turbo, squatting is only the beginning. Turbo comes with interchangeable massage rollers to further increase your comfort on the toilet. Not only does it feel good, but it can help with constipation too. Your feet have pressure points that can stimulate your colon when it's time to go. Massaging with Turbo also helps with blood circulation, which can improve your energy levels to get you through the day.
One of the problems within a washroom is obviously when you wash your hands, you walk across the room to dry them, dripping water. The Dyson Airblade Tap hand dryer solves this problem completely, so you wash and you dry all in one place. It generates 2 sheets of air, which actually dry your hands. It has a narrow aperture where the air exits, which is designed to give both excellent dry time and acoustics. We have a HEPA filter where airflow is drawn into the actual product, so it's all hygienic airflow. We have our new Dyson digital motor, which basically powers the whole unit itself. So this is filtered air, so it's very hygienic. The way that you interact with this product is all non-touch, so you don't have to turn a tap on or actually physically turn something or touch something. It all detects your hands via infrared sensors. So I guess the largest challenge that we had with this product was the manufacturing side. Each tube is a high-grade stainless steel, but we didn't want to compromise on the finish or the performance of the machine. The best way of doing this was to laser cut each part of the system separately and then laser weld them together. We had to employ a lot of time and effort and development into this process and actually buy our own lasers to actually achieve the quality and the finish that we wanted.
Life is better when it's cool. Hi, my name is Dave Johnson and I'm President and CEO of Mist America. Meet the Mini Cool from Mist America. With the Mini Cool system, we're able to create the same level of outdoor comfort that our commercial breeze systems produce, but at a fraction of the cost. The Mini Cool will easily replace those ugly line mist systems that basically suck, and say goodbye to those worthless ceiling fans which do nothing more than push down hot air. And the Mini only uses about 25% of the water used by traditional line mist systems. Be one of the first people in the world to have a system that cools your patio like resorts and restaurants do, but for a fraction of the cost. Now that is truly cool.